Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, the HELIX GK. In this video, I am going to tell about one of the most important thing in the GRE, that is verbal section. And about in the verbal section, about 50% of the questions are from sentence sequence and tense completion. To do that type of question, you need to know the vocabulary. So I am going to tell you about why vocabulary is the most important thing in the GRE for verbal section, and also fast way to learn that vocabulary. So let's start it. So I am going to tell you about one of the most important, that why should you focus on the GRE verbal. The about 50% of the verbal sections is come from the text completion and sentence sequence, and also the verbal vocab also using RCs. So if you don't know that vocabulary, so approx 50% of the marks of your verbals will be cut out. So less vocabulary means less score in GRE, and some of the university may reject your application. As you all of know that many university have their cut-off marks in the verbal, like they want 160 in the verbal, 150 in the verbal, or 155 in the verbal. So you can like miss out that marks. So the university will definitely reject your application, and it may hurt your to get into that your dream university. Also, the vocabulary can also boost your verbal score about 5 to 6 points. So if your 5 to 6 points is very important, so the percentile of your score can also be boosted. So like you can be get your dream score also. So about you know to know about 1000 words before appearing the GRE exam. So these are the types of the question which are asked in the sentence sequence or text completion. These are the sentence sequence type question. They are have a 6 option. You select 2 option. These are 2 option maybe synonyms. So you know need to learn the words as of like synonyms or antonyms times, or with the pictures or Munich types. So these are the best way to learn the words. Also, these are the text completion types of question. The A, B, Phillips have a 3 option, and we also have 3 option. You have to select one option from any of the three. So if you don't know the meaning of the one of the word or two of the word, it may be like damage your vocabulary, the verbal part. So I will discuss about the two main application for you to learn the word for the high frequency words. So the best application in the market is GRE flashcard, brought to by the Magosh. Magosh is the one of the this application is one of the best in the market for the flashcard, and other is the galvanized test spray. I will recommend you like download one of the application. You can download the Magosh or the galvanized test spray is also great application for you to prepare your GRE words. This can be available on the Play Store, App Store. The flashcard will help you to like catch up your words repeatedly. So if you don't know the word, you can like get the word after sometimes you like catch the word. These are the word I have seen. Nice application. It is also one of the best application. You can learn the word with the mnemonics or with the pictures. So I will recommend you to like download one of the application. After you download, or after you go through all the words from the one application, so you can jump on the other application. So you like don't like download 2 application at the same time for and you can like get confused that I have to go through one of the application, and like it can be hodgepodge for you. So I will recommend you like download one of the application. If you want to like use flashcard, it is download Mago. If you want like help with the mayonnaise or with the pictures, you can download this application. So what most of the student do, and what is the fastest way to learn the GRE vocab? The first way is to learn the GRE words with the emotions. Like you can catch the emotion of the word. Like you can learn the word through their antonyms or synonyms. Like I have given example of the garnish. Garnish have decorate, adorn, or ornament have the 3 4 words which can be used for the same one words. So in the sentence equivalent, it is the best way to learn these types of tricks to learn the word. The second type of the way to learn is, I think, one of the great ways to learn through pictures or mnemonics. I will recommend you like download that Gitanize application so you can get the picture of that word, or you can memorize that word. I have seen like these are words are have this picture or this context or these meanings. So I will recommend you to like download that application. So third way is like best way many of the student root words learn the word with their root of that word. So the three words I have given is mesoanthropist, mesogamist, and mesogamist are the three words which are come from the same root, that is meso. Meso means hate. So first is mesoanthropist means hate, the person who hate humankind, or the second is mesogamist, the person who hates women, or third is the mesogamist, with the person who hates marriage. So you know that you can learn the same root word and you can like catch up with the words seen that this word has used these types of root word. So it means will be hate, like philanthropist means phil means hate and anthropist humankind. So you can like catch up their word through their root word. Most important thing for to learn the GRE word is don't just watch the word but work with. Write it on and talk aloud and use your pencil and pen, your voice, not just your mind and eyes. If you like purchase any type of book, like I have discussed that in the next slide, the word power is the one of the best way to learn the word through their root words. So like if you purchase this book, don't like just flip the pages and learn this are the words. Like work with it, like make a diary, make your own words list, and like write all the words one by one, and revise 3 to 4 times in a week. You can like definitely learn the words. I will recommend you to like learn the word through their root and through their picture or mnemonics. These are the best way to learn the words, in my opinion. So if you like this content, like gives a thumbs up and also share and subscribe my channel. Also check out the description of this word. I have given the PDF of all the resources available with me. Also like more such content, like please comment down below